Good morning guys and welcome to another airgun unboxing. So ngayon ang ating i-unbox is the Umarex model M9A3 fully licensed by Beretta. By the way, shout out po kay Sir Nonato of Negros Occidental. So this is the model M9A3 Umarex. This is airgun pistol as you can see at the box. Airgun, not an airsoft. This is officially licensed by Beretta. Yan, model M9A3 by Umarex. Umarex Germany. Okay? So this is auto powered 4.5mm steel ball ang bala. Let's open the box. Okay, it comes with the Umarex German Engineering Safety Instruction and Maintenance Manual, and also comes with the instruction manual. Silicone oil. Of course, the unit. Maya natin i-unveil yan. And then, the 200 shots silver coated steel ball. This is 4.5mm in diameter. And the Allen range for the magazine. It also comes with CO2. This is 12G. Non-threaded CO2. This is disposable. Yung isang CO2 more or less 60 shots po bago maubos. And this is the unit. Yan, M9A3. Yung mga langis-langis pa po yan. Comes with full markings. Ayan yung markings niya on the right side. Beretta. Ayan. Beretta trademarks license by Beretta Italy. Yan, this is airgun model M9A3. This is yan, sa totoong barrel this is 9mm. Pero this is just an airgun pistol. Ayan. With markings on the grip, logo ng Beretta. Slim yung kanya, medyo slim yung kanyang grip with anti-skid polymer grip. Itong grip cover, then yung pinaka grip niya, the cover is plastic, but yung sa ilalim nun is metal. Also yung frame niya is also metal, and the slide is also metal with extended barrel. Meron siyang thread. Ayan, counterclockwise and design. Ayan, meron siyang thread. So, ang purpose nito, you can extend the barrel. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng extension. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng suppressor or not tracer, silencer. Pwede. Pero unfortunately, wala tayong available nun. Maybe sa ibang store. So, and yung ano niya, yung barrel niya, hindi na siya ganong kagalaw. Ayan. Diba? As you can see, hindi katulad ng mga ibang models like airsoft na magalaw siya. Ito para na siyang fix barrel na. Ayan, hindi siya magalaw. Then meron siyang safety, of course, safety, manual safety, ambidextrous manual safety. Then yung kanyang sight is naka 3 dot na siya, white dot sight. Fix po siya, naka fix rear and fix front. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Yan. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Okay, meron tayong available na flashlight, rechargeable flashlight. Okay. Okay, now load tayo ng CO2. So this is the magazine. This is, I think this is 17 rounder or 18. I'm not sure. Check natin sa specs. So this is 18 rounder capacity. So yun yung specs niya. Yan yung specs. Yan. Steel BBs, 18 rounder capacity. Fixed front and rear, double and single action. Smooth bore barrel. Yung length niya is nasa 112mm. Yung dangerous area up to 300 meters. Yung weight niya, 1,080 grams. Length overall, siguro ito yung overall length niya, is 226mm. Itong barrel, ito yung barrel, 112mm. Okay? Yun yung standard size. Now, put tayo ng CO2. So, ito yung magazine niya. Pag maglalagay ka ng CO2, tatanggalin mo yung cap. And then, every time maglalagay po kayo ng CO2, lagyan nyo po ng silicone oil. That is why meron siyang free silicone oil. Okay, lagyan nyo po ng silicone oil yung pinaka-tip ng CO2. Konting lagay lang. Konting silicone oil. Load. And then, ito yung cap. So, para surely pumasok yung, maglapat yung thread, gamitan nyo muna ng kamay. Huwag nyo muna siyang gagamitan ng allen. Para surely na talagang maglapat yung thread. Kasi baka mag-lost thread po eh. Okay, and then, tsaka siya gagamitan ng allen. Kailangan mabilis po yung pihit. Then, tamang higpit lang po. Tamang higpit lang. Huwag nyo siyang isasagad. Okay. Pwede rin natin, lagyan muna natin ng oil itong valve. Inlet valve, outlet valve. Okay, then paglo-load naman, now I'm using the copper coated steel ball. This is 4.5 mm in diameter. You can also use copper coated, silver coated as long as 4.5 mm in diameter. So I'm using the copper coated. So pag-load ng steel ball, sagad sa dulo, then pasok mo lang dito sa may butas. Siguro, ay, madulas kasi yung kamay ko. May oil. Ayan. Load lang natin ng mga ilang rounds. Then, balik. Alalay lang yung spring. Yan. Okay. Loaded. Tabi lang muna natin. Then, ito, pakita ko lang sa inyo ng malapitan yung ating unit. Again, this is the model M9A3. Umarex Germany, officially licensed by Beretta. This is Paul Metal Air Gun Pistol. Ang ganda niya. Okay, so testing tayo. Testing po, model M9A3 Air Gun Pistol. Firing. Wow, solid. Uusok-usok pa. Make sure na meron kayong iPro kasi may possibility na mag-ricochet yung steel ball, especially kung tumama sa solid. Tulad nito. Okay? And then, open slide. Open slide. Meaning to say, pag nag-open slide, just like sa mga real steel, wala na siyang bala. So, press mo lang yung mag-release. Then, hatak mo lang yung slide. Hammer down. Okay, so again, all goods. Again, this is the model M9A3 Beretta, officially licensed by Beretta. This is Umarex brand airgun pistol C auto powered. Thank you.